Okay, so we are here at Malden Center on the train course. Now look that way.
Okay.
No, get on. Our train is here.
Okay, see you on the train.
Mama,
Yep.
I have the phone now.
Well, you have to sit down and then you have the phone. Mind the window, you have to.
Huh? Okay, Abba. Now we're looking through the window.
If you're not looking out the window, you'll be able to be looking like this.
Next stop, Malden Center, open on the left, bus connection.
I only want to do a video until the next station.
I want to do it until North Station.
Until our station, there's a lot of videos to take. And I'm not concerned about that on the phone. We have plenty of that on the phone. My issue is I'm tired. I want to rest a little bit. And also, I think you have to get off this train to our station. So there's the green line.
Then maybe we should end it at community college.
Okay. Let's do that. How about you look at the actual window and you look at the video later?
Well, I need to remember this.
Okay. Can you hold the phone, Yako?
Yeah. You can see the trees already. And the tower. So beautiful landscape out here. Oh, here comes the bus area.
Hey, Yako, I want to tell you something.
What?
If you want to go to the museum in Acton, we actually have to leave earlier than we left today. If we were going to go to the art museum, we would have had to leave our apartment when Tati was leaving. So we would have to have all our bags packed and everything we needed. So today we're visiting Zadie and Alta Zadie and Alta Bubby. Alta means the elders. So it means Zadie had parents too, and they're gone too. Alta Zadie Grandpa passed away in 1997, I think, maybe 97 or 98, and I'm not sure which one. And Bubby passed away in 2007.
What Bubby?
Bubby from Worcester, not your Bubby, but my Bubby. Will be your Alta Bubby. Alta means elder Bubby. So your woman above you in generation is your mother, but you also have a father, and I have a mother and a father. My father died, that's yours 80, but I still have a mother who's living. And my father had parents too, a father and a mother. And they died years ago. And so we're going to see them today if everything works out.
Malden Center, open on the left, bus connection.
Now they can see really close up.
Yeah. Do you want to see the grave sites of these people?
Yeah.
Want to see what the grave sites say? And do
Yeah.
you want to see what the grass and the trees look like around there? That's also
Yeah.
important thing to know. We want to make sure that the grave people are in a nice place for them to be.
We can see a grove trains on these tracks in the
Yeah.
video if it's close up.
Yeah.
Abba, look at it. It's small but close up.
Oh, okay.
Next stop, assembly.
stop?
Yeah.
Entrance assembly doors open on the left.
It's not this one.
Okay. Well, the only two more stops, Sullivan and Community Promise has to be off the North Station. When people watch this video, they'll be wondering why we're talking about turning off the video, but we have a life to live here. We have to live in the moment too.
Why did they say, why are they talking about when to turn off the video?
Because video killed the radio star.
What?
Video killed the radio star. Video killed the radio star.
Next stop,
In my mind and in my heart. Oh, oh, oh.
Why does video kill the radio star?
It's a silly song, but people are saying people only watch videos now because when you can watch videos, who wants to listen to the radio? It's an interesting point. There are situations where you want to listen to the radio, like if you're driving a car. That's a common situation. People say you can't watch a video when we're not driving a car. You have to drive the car. You have to use your eyes to see the road. But you can still listen to the radio. That's one example. People still listen to the radio. Also, if you're going to bed, trying to fall asleep, your eyes looking at the television, some people find it hard to sleep if you're looking at television. Listen to the radio is a little easier. I used to listen to the Red Sox game on the radio when I was younger, and